Yeah, sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in that mocking polite voice, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand. Now, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in her palm of her hand, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. Now, sometimes as they ask, Maddie have some irritation. Yeah? And study the marbles in the palm of her hand, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. Not that. She felt sorry for Wanda, exactly. She would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy had not invented the dresses game. Yeah, not that. She felt sorry for Wanda. Yeah, she's not sorry for Wanda, but what? Exactly, she would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy would have not invented the dresses game. Okay, why? They have the dresses game that Wanda was with silent, but as Wanda tells that I have 100 dresses, and because of that, they had a game of asking how many dresses Wanda you have. From there, Peggy and Maddie had the more closeness. Yeah? Let's see. But suppose Peggy and all the others started in on her next. She was not as poor as Wanda. Yeah? Perhaps. Maddie was so poor, but not as compared to Wanda. Okay? But she was poor. Who was poor? Maddie was also poor. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. Who? Maddie. Yeah, but she was poor. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. Still, she would not like for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. Now, she can say no problem. But still she would not like for them to begin on her. Yeah? That what to begin on her? To tease, to cheat, and to misbehave. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. Yeah. Peggy what Peggy should do? Stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. Peggy should not tease me something irritated. That Peggy was only, she can have sufficient dress, something things, and she should not behave like that. Now this is the condition going on between these friends. Now, today even though they had been late to school, Maddie was glad she had not had to make fun of Wanda. Now, Maddie decided that I will not make joke with this girl Wanda. That's very nice. She worked her arithmetic problems absent-mindedly. In the classroom, Maddie was very busy on her work, 8 times 8, now doing mathematics. Let's see. She wished she had the nerve to write Peggy a note. Yeah. Now, Peggy also busy writing the notes of the subject. Because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy to say, hey, Peg, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses she has. Now they don't like to disturb Wanda. They are busy on their works. Yeah, very nice. When she finished her arithmetic, she started a note to Peggy. Now as their math finished, then start a note to Peggy also. Very good. Suddenly she paused and stuttered. Maddie, okay? She pictured herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and the girls. Yeah, new targets for Peggy and girls. Who? Maddie, okay? Let's see. Peggy might ask her where she got the dress that she had on. Now, Peggy likes to ask Wanda that, why did you get this dress now? They are searching for. And Maddie would have to say it was on the Peggy's old ones that Maddie's mother had tried to disguise with. Suppose Peggy asks Maddie about the dress, yeah? Then Maggie says that it was one of Peggy's old ones. Peggy ka purana dress hai that Maddie's mother had tried to disguise with new trimming so no one in room 13 would recognize it. Yeah, new design. Now sometimes I don't say Wanda, but sometimes lady was poor. She liked to get dress from Peggy. Peggy is a rich girl, and she provided the girl to Peggy, and her mother in different design method dress, and nobody knew that this was the dress of Peggy. It's okay. Trimming means with different decoration, different design. Okay. If only Peggy would decide of her own accord of stop having fun with Wanda. Oh well. One thing, Peggy would stop to make jokes with Wanda. Very nice. Oh well. Maddie ran her hand through her short fair hair as though to push the uncomfortable thought away. Yeah? Monsieur Maddie like not to misbehave. Let's see. Maddie ran her hand through her short fair hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. What uncomfortable thought? That we should misbehave this girl. Okay. What difference did it make? Slowly, Maddie tore into bits the notes she had studied. Now, Maddie, as you are writing some notes, got some upset and started tearing the notes. Slowly, Maddie tore into bits the notes she had studied. She was Peggy's best friend who? Maddie, they are both best friends, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. Peggy was a very smart girl, wealthy, everything. The whole class likes Peggy, okay? Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong. She thought. Maddie thought that Peggy will not do anything wrong. Means what she does, she decides well and she does the work. Let's see. As for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived on Boggins Heights and stood alone in the schoolyard. About Wanda, she was a single girl coming from Boggins Heights. Akela aati thi. She scarcely ever said anything to anybody. Scarcely just nothing else, not only just means किसी को कुछ भी नहीं बोलती थी कितना अच्छी लड़की है. The only time she talks was in the schoolyard about her 100 days. एक ही बात सी वांडा बोलती मेरे पास 100 days है, बस उतना ही उसका मतलब क्या है उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Let's see. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses. Maddie अपना ड्रेस के बारे में बताती है. Pale blue with color trimming. Yeah. What pale blue? Whose this dress? Maddie's college dress. Pale blue with ready dress, and she remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with a red sash. She remembered. So students, here Maddie also one type of dress. What? That was brilliant jungle green with a red sash. Jungle green means dark green, okay? A red sash. Sash is a long uniform type dress. You would look like a Christmas tree in that. Yeah? Who? Maddie looks like that. Christmas tree like this type of dress. The girls had said in pretended admirations. Now they say if you wear this, you look just like this type of dress as you wear this type of green dress like Christmas tree. Okay. Thinking about Wanda and her 100 dresses all lined up in the closets, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring test. Now thinking about Wanda that she had 100 dresses, she proud, she tells I have 100 dresses. Okay. Now the next competition is coming. The competition, drawing competition is coming. For girls, the contest consisting of designing dresses, and for boys. Now the competition for two groups. For girls, designing of dress designing, and for boys, decoration of motor design. So let's see what is the competition and how it is going on. So the contest consists of designing dresses of her own boys, the designing motor boats for designing, and for girls dress design. Okay. Probably Peggy would win the girls medal. Now what they think? Peggy is a very smart girl, good study and good art. They hope that Peggy would definitely win this medal. Peggy now drew better than anyone else in the room, very smart in study, smart in drawing. They think that she will get. Okay. At least that's what everybody thought. She could copy a picture in a magazine. या किसी तस्वीर को भी देख के बना लेती थी. Or some film stars had, so that they could almost tell who it was. Means by seeing a film star, actress, actor, by seeing their photo, they can copy it, they can make a picture. So Peggy, while very smart girl, they thought that she can do. It's okay. Oh, maybe was sure Peggy would win. Yeah, Peggy was a smart girl. Okay. They thought that she will do this because she had very talent. Oh, maybe was sure. Okay. So well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners. Then they would know. Now the drawing is over, but declaration of the competition is coming tomorrow, next day. The next day it was drizzling means small little light. Little rain was falling. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. Very rushed to school. Naturally, on a day like that, they did not wait for Wanda Petrosky on the corner of Oliver Street. Yeah, sometimes they wait and they on and make jokes with Wanda, but they have no time because of the competition. They like a result because they are happy to get the result. Who is the first? Will get first prize. That's why very hurried to go. So under the railway tracks or up in the hill led to Mugen side. Okay, this Wanda from Mugen Heights. I have told you that from there they did not wait, but they are thinking that we shall go to the school first to know the result. Okay. So anyway, they were not taking chances on being late today because today was important. What? Result of the competition. That's why Peggy and Maddie, they are very advanced to reach this place. Okay. Do you think Miss Mason, who is their class teacher, will announce the winners today? Ask Peggy. Peggy is very hopeful that she is a good artist. She thought that I will get first position, but actually what happened? Oh, I hope so. The minute we get in, said Maddie, of course you will win, Peggy. Yeah, definitely you will win because you are a good artist. Hope so, said Peggy eagerly. Yeah, surely I hope that I'll get first position. Then see, the minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and gasped. Gasp means took the high. What? There were drawings all over the room. रूम के चारों तरफ पेंटिंग है and every ledge and window sill मतलब खिड़की के जो साइड में भी या खिड़की में भी dazzling colors and brilliant shining colors, very good looking lavish design. Designing very means you can very impressed by design. Okay, all drawn on great sheets of wrapping papers. Using the wrapping papers the design were made. Let's see, there must have been 100 of them. How many dresses designed? 100 of them. Let's see, all lined up. These must be the drawings for the contest. जितना ड्राइंग पूरा ड्रेस का डिजाइन रखा गया है ये कॉम्पिटिशन के लिए है. They were, everybody stopped and whistled and murmured admiringly. Very impressive drawing. It's okay. Everybody stopped. They talk each other, they're impressed and they thought that a great drawing. As soon as the class had assembled, पूरा class आ गया, Miss Mason announced the winners. Now declaration of the result. Jack Bellers had won the boys. Jack Bellers लड़का में से पाया. And she said, and his design for an outburst motor was an exhibition in room 12. Room 12 में रखा गया है जो इसका जो ड्राइंग क्या है, किसका ड्राइंग है? About this motor, outboard motor, okay, along with the sketches by all the other boys, and sketches in the room number 12. They kept. Now they are going to declare the girls' result. As for the girls, he said, although just one or two sketches were submitted by most. One girl, most of the artists, competitors, only two or one, two drawing they gave. But rule number 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs of the drawings. Let's see. Which girl? Let's discuss. All different and all beautiful in the opinion of the judges. And one of the drawing is worthy of winning the prize. Only one drawing, not 100, can win the drawing competition. I am very happy to say that Wanda Petrosky is the winner of the girls' medal. Now declaration was the Wanda Petrosky won this competition of drawing. Unfortunately, Wanda has been absent from school for some days. लेकिन Wanda school पाई नहीं. and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. Applause means too much claps or credits, okay? That is due to her. Let us hope she will be back tomorrow. शायद कल आएगी तो इसका रिजल्ट ले लेगी. Now class, you may file around the room quietly and look at her exquisite drawings. Means very beautiful drawing, extremely beautiful and well made drawing. You all can enjoy. Let's see. Now the children enjoy it. The children burst into laughter. Means suddenly and spontaneously clapped hands. Let's see. And even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor. Even the boys also like this drawing. Put their fingers in their mouths and whistled. Very nice. Though they were not interested in dresses, still they impressed and praised him. Look there, whispered Maddie. Maddie told him, what? There is that blue one she told us about. उनमें से जो ब्लू वाला जो बोलती थी वो भी है ड्रेस. Is it not beautiful? क्या इसको भी सुंदर नहीं है? Yes, said Peggy. And there is that green one also beautiful over. Yeah, and I thought I could draw. Yes, now here make wonder what she told about 100 dresses. That was a painting she had at home, not the dress she wore at home. I hope that these feelings of the small children at school, they have different views about the dress. And then at the conclusion of the chapter, we saw that this girl won 100 dresses. Very nice. As a competition, and Peggy, though you are the good artist and everything, it is finally we saw that it come to its conclusion. So I hope whatever I discussed in this chapter you might have understood, and have a good day, study well, and see you once again in next class. Okay, goodbye.